and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today we're taking a previous recipe we've done and we are turning it up a notch. A good friend of ours taught us this recipe and we are so excited to share it with you. So let's get ready for some vegan fried tacos. Let's dive in. The key to this recipe is having all of our ingredients cooked at the same time so everything is hot when you serve it. So let's start this off by slicing up an onion and a green pepper. Take out a large pan and heat up some olive oil. Add those to the pan and cook them for 40 minutes on medium heat. Now put a large pot of water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Add in some baby red potatoes and boil those for 20 minutes. Not gonna lie, potatoes and tacos seemed a little weird to me at first, but the results speak for themselves. While those are cooking, put a small pot on the stove and add in a drained can of black beans. Let those cook on medium-high heat for around 5 minutes before adding some salt and pepper and mashing them with a potato masher. Lastly, take out one more pot and add in a drained can of chickpeas and some taco seasoning. Let those cook on the heat for 5 minutes. Back to the potatoes. Once they can be easily stabbed with a fork, drain the water, add in some almond milk, vegan butter, and vegan sour cream before mashing it all together. With all our ingredients ready to go, let's talk about constructing the perfect taco. Take out a nonstick pan and heat up some vegetable oil on high heat. Once it's hot, throw in your taco shell and the race is on. We've only got about a minute before this shell starts burning. Start by laying out some mashed potatoes on half the tortilla, then add some onions and peppers. Follow that up with our chickpeas and mashed beans. Then add on any other toppings you'd like, such as shredded lettuce, chopped Roma tomatoes, and some shredded vegan cheese. Fold the shell over itself and gently press down. The fried shell should naturally stay in that classic taco shape. All that's left to do is plate this dish. Alright, now this may end up requiring a fork. Now the crunchy shell of the taco and those creamy mashed potatoes on the inside come together perfectly to give you an amazing texture. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite taco toppings down in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. We'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite taco toppings.
Taco toppings.
Top your tacos. This is Taco-licious.
Get out of here.